So you need to extend your rental. Go back to the rental detail page to let the equipment owner know you need more time. Now, as a renter, you'll see a clickable button to request to extend the rental end date. And now remember, with rental extensions, they can only be done during an active rental time frame. From there, you'll be prompted to enter a few details for your rental extension. And once entered, the equipment owner will then be notified of your equipment rental extension. Now, the owner will have a chance to either accept or decline your rental. And here's a pro tip. Organize a quick call with the owner once the rental extension has been sent to ensure they're fully aware of the time frame. Now, if accepted, your rental detail page will be updated, and you can continue to rent the piece of equipment with peace of mind. But keep in mind, if declined, you will be required to return that piece of equipment based off the original end date and end time. Now, if you have any more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team at info@eqpme.com. Enjoy your rental, and enjoy, more importantly, your rental extension.